How to verify your OKX account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your OKX account. Whether you are looking to secure your account or access all the OKX services, verifying your account is a must. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your OKX Wallet app, and once it's launched, you'll need to wait for the security check to finish, and this will log you in automatically. And now, once you are logged in, you will be on the home page of the app. From here, simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this will open up a page with various options. From here, we need to go to profile settings, and here if your account is not verified, you'll see a message that says unverified, so simply tap on that to proceed. Now next, you'll land on the profile settings page, and under this section you'll see options like profile, security, preferences and notification. So just tap on identity verification, and after that a short message will pop up explaining why you need to verify your account. And this is to comply with regulation, secure your account and unlock full access to OKX services. And now to start the verification process, just tap on verify now button, and after that you will be taken to the page where you can select your document type. So from the options provided here, you'll see different list of ID options to choose from. So simply select the document which you are comfortable showing to others. And once you have selected your document, you need to make sure you have it ready. So just follow the guidelines to take a clear and complete image of your ID, and make sure it's easy to read and well lit. Now check the example photos provided to understand how to properly capture your ID. And once you're ready, just tap on start verification and your camera will open up. And the first thing you will need to do is take a clear photo of the front side of your ID, and then take a photo of the back side of your ID. And after uploading your ID, the next step is to take a selfie. So make sure your face is visible and clear, as this is used to verify that the ID matches you. And once everything is done, go ahead and submit your photo. Now all you have to do is wait for the verification process to complete, so it might take a little time, so be patient. And once you are successfully verified, you can start buying your favorite cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and many others. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.